Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and the party leader of the UDA party, Your Excellency, the Deputy President and the Deputy Party Leader, Second Deputy Party Leader, our Governor from Lamu, our Prime Cabinet Secretary, all the leaders here present, aspirants from all over Kenya, hamjambo! UDA, kazi ni kazi, kazi ni kazi. Mimi nataka kuona hizo vidole za tutam. Leo ni leo, msema kesho ni nini? Msema kesho ni nini? Your Excellency and our party leader, uliposema unataka meeting ya aspirants, our estimation was 5,000 aspirants. And I remember you thinking they may not even get to 5,000, maybe about 4,000, 4,500. But I'm happy to report to you, Your Excellency, that today we have 149 aspirants for the governor's seat. We have 279 senators, aspirants for senatorial seats. We have 323 aspirants for women representatives. We have 1,372 aspirants for the MP seat. And we have 10,230. Aspirants for MCA seats. Harambe! Harambe! Asante sana. So in total, Your Excellency, today you have 12,353 aspirants from the UDA party. Sir, what this means to me as the chair of the ruling party is the following. Number one, that Kenyans have confidence in the party. Number two, that they have a lot of confidence in you as the party leader. Number three, they are determined to go back to mashinani and ensure that you get your second term. That is why, Your Excellency, these great men and women have come from far and wide to come here and assure you that they are ready to go out there and help you get your second term. So Your Excellency, your wisdom to have this forum, a forum I have never seen in my 20 years as a politician, a forum of aspirants, makes me know that I'm truly in the right party with the right party leader. Your Excellency, the second thing is that we have almost 50% women aspirants sitting here today. So this party is a party for women, it is a party for men, It is a party for hustlers. We even saw some coming all the way walking. There's a young man I saw in a bicycle, because this is a party for hustlers. And so, Your Excellency, I've talked to a few of these people, and these are their concerns, and that's why they have come here. And they want to hear it from you as a party leader. Number one, they're asking, have you now opened the door for them to work in the party without fear? Isn't that the case? Number two, they want to be assured that they'll be treated in a free and fair way. And they told me, Chairperson, hatutaki kusikia kutoka kwa mwingine, tunataka kusikia kutoka kwa party leader, President William Samoei Ruto. And I'm sure I'm going to do that. But as I sit down, Your Excellency, 3.5 years ago, we, the UDA party, nominated you as our presidential candidate. We elected you together with many Kenyans who are not here, and you became the president. Time moves pretty fast because we are fast approaching the next election. I want to assure you that the confidence and faith we had in you then is still there and stronger. We have seen you make tough political decisions, tough economic decisions, tough policy decisions that have made Kenya stable today, and it was not stable then. So we want to assure you, Your Excellency, that we are still sure, more than any other time, that you are still the best man to carry the mantle of Kenya into another 5 years. We are still sure that you are the best presidential candidate for 2027. But we are even more sure that you are going to be the 6th president of the Republic of Kenya. So kwa wote, all the aspirants here present, muko tayari tufanye kazi? Muko tayari kushikilia UDA? Muko tayari kushikilia President William Ruto? Muko tayari kushikilia fireman Professor KISII Kindiki? Na wauliza, President William Ruto, ni fire si fire? Ni noma si noma? Naye fireman himself, Professor KISII Kindiki, fire si fire? Ni noma si noma? Now I wish to take this opportunity to welcome Professor KISII Kindiki.